these sphenoids, because people have a hard time on the cadaver saying, why are we looking in the sphenoid sinus to find the nerve of the pterygoid canal? Okay, so if we look at this sphenoid specimen and we look at it from the posterior here, there's a hole. This wire is going in the hole. That's the pterygoid canal. Okay, and it goes forward. So if we look at the front, into this position. And this pterygoid canal is where? It's at the base of the pterygoid processes. That's why it's called the pterygoid canal. Okay? And so we see it here, and I've taken this wire and looped it around into a ganglion. Okay? So that's my pterygopalatine ganglion. Nerve of the pterygoid canal comes into that. This little piece coming down, I'm just using that to represent like a greater palatine nerve coming down. But now that we've done that skull and we've looked at some of that kind of position, that access and all this, this pterygoid process, right in front of it would be a maxilla and a perpendicular plate of palatine. Okay? So if we were to cut this specimen in half and see inside the body of the sphenoid, it would be hollow, right? And if we were to do that and we're looking in the sphenoid sinus at the floor, that's our access point for the pterygoid canal. That's why we're finding this here. Remember that nerve of the pterygoid canal is a combination of greater petrosal and deep petrosal. Deep petrosal for the actual sympathetic contribution to this system. Okay, so but that's that access. Somebody asked me about this hole, and I'd never looked at that for that hole, but that's exactly that canal that leads us into a pterygopalatine fossa on the anterior of it.